Welcome to Trading Analysis. This is lesson 1 of our Trading Fundamentals course, and we're starting with one of the most important questions every trader should understand. Why do most traders lose? Have you ever had this happen? You spend 3 hours analyzing a chart. You draw support, you draw resistance, you add indicators, you watch 3 YouTube videos, you finally enter the trade, and 5 minutes later, you're stopped out. Then immediately you say, this strategy is garbage. So you find another strategy, then another, then another. A few months later, your trading folder looks like this. And somehow you're still losing money. Sound familiar? If so, you're making the same mistake most traders make, and it has nothing to do with your strategy. The biggest trading myth. Most beginners believe something dangerous. They believe a good trader wins most trades. That sounds logical, but it is completely wrong. Professional traders do not judge their success based on one trade. They do not judge it based on today's trade, or tomorrow's trade, or even next week's trades. They judge it over a large sample size. Because trading is not a prediction game. Trading is a probability game. And understanding that one concept can completely change your trading journey. Let's prove it. Imagine I give you a coin. Every time it lands on heads, you make $100. Every time it lands on tails, you lose $50. Would you take that bet? Most people say, well, maybe. Now let's think about it. If you flip the coin once, you could lose. If you flip it twice, you could lose both. If you flip it 5 times, you might still be losing money. But if you flip that coin hundreds of times, you would almost certainly make money. Why? Because the odds are in your favor. Yes. You have an edge. That edge does not guarantee the next flip wins. It guarantees profitability over time. That distinction is incredibly important. Why traders blow up? Most traders never think like this. Instead, they take one loss and panic. One losing trade. Then suddenly, new indicator, new strategy, new mentor, new Discord server, new YouTube guru, and the cycle starts all over again. Imagine if a casino operated like that. A casino loses a few hands of blackjack and says, well boys, roulette it is. That would be ridiculous. Casinos understand something most traders do not. Individual outcomes are random. Long-term outcomes are not. The casino does not care about one customer winning. The casino cares about thousands of customers, because over a large sample size, their edge appears. So what is an edge? An edge is not a secret indicator. It is not a magic pattern. It is not a strategy that wins every trade. An edge is simply a repeatable advantage, something that gives you slightly better odds than random chance. That advantage might come from risk management, market structure, volume analysis, price action, discipline, or a combination of many things. Now let's answer the question from the beginning. Why do most traders lose? Because they never give their edge enough time to work. They judge everything based on short-term results. They are obsessed with being right when they should be focused on being profitable. Those are very different things. Professional traders know they can lose several trades in a row and still have a winning system. Beginners think 3 losses means disaster. That mindset difference changes everything. In the next lesson, we're going to explore decision quality versus outcome quality. One of the most important concepts in trading and a major reason so many traders misjudge their own performance. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.